Hello! Today I'll be showing you how to change the batteries in this PowerG 9303 Vanishing contact. The tools we need for the job is one small-sized flathead screwdriver and a CR2450 battery, which can be acquired at any local hardware store. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to take our screwdriver and our sensor and we're going to locate these two notches on the sides of the sensor. We're going to put our screwdriver into these notches and rotate 90 degrees either towards us or away from us until the cover pops open. We're going to do this to both sides. And just like that, the cover will pop right off. From here, I then recommend using the flathead screwdriver to carefully pry out the battery, as it can be a little bit difficult like so. Make sure that you don't break any of these white contacts and that you don't damage any of the metal underneath. Now in this state, what we're going to do is we're going to replace the new battery with the positive side facing up and the negative side facing down, as indicated right there on the battery. The way we're going to do this is we're going to slide in the bottom part first so it's underneath those white tabs, and then we're going to press inward and downwards so that the battery pops right into place like so, nicely under all those tabs. Once we've done this, we're then going to take our cover piece again. We're going to line up these two notches at the bottom so they sit nice, and then we're just going to snap it into place. And once it's snapped into place and everything's all good and there's no gaps, our job here is done. And that's it.